Welcome to Cloud Infrastructure Services YouTube channel. In this video, we are going to show you how to set up WordPress localhost environment with the help of XAMPP. So let's get started. First of all, what you want to do is that you want to come over to the official download page of XAMPP, and from here you want to download the XAMPP according to your version. So I'm using Windows, so I'll be downloading XAMPP for Windows. Once the download is done, open up the downloaded file and then simply follow along the tutorial or the installation wizard to install XAMPP. If you're prompted by the Windows security alert, then simply click on Allow Access. After that, it is going to ask you if you want to start the control panel right now, so click on that and then click on Finish. Now within this control panel, what you want to do is that you want to enable the Apache service by clicking on the Start button and also the MySQL service. Next up is we are going to download and paste in the WordPress. So simply come over to the official download page of WordPress and then from here simply click on Download WordPress. Now once the download has been completed, simply copy the zip file and paste it inside C, then XAMPP, and within XAMPP you're going to head inside htdocs, and in here you're going to paste in your zip file and open up the zip file, and then you're going to simply extract the WordPress folder in the htdocs folder. Now once this is done, the next step is to actually create a WordPress database. Now for that, simply open up your browser and then head over to localhost/phpMyAdmin. Now in this, you're going to simply click on databases and then you're going to give your database a specific name. So I'm just going to call this one as WordPress. After that, simply click on the create button. Now once the database has been created, the next step is to actually install WordPress. Now for that, open up a new tab and simply type in http://localhost and then / then the name of the folder inside the htdocs, which was WordPress, and then simply hit enter. Now this is going to open up this installation wizard. So let's go ahead with the installation wizard and click on English and then continue. After that, we want to assign a database user, database password and database host. So click on let's go. And then for the database name, we are going to simply go for WordPress. Now we still have to create a user for this particular database. So for that, head back to the phpMyAdmin and then you're going to come over to the localhost, go over to user accounts, click on add new user or add user account. Provide a name to the user, so I'm just going to call this one as WordPress as well, and then I'm going to simply provide it a password. Retype the password, and then what you can do is you can also create a same database with this particular name, but that is already done. So you can provide global privileges, but I'm not going to provide any global privileges right now. So simply click on the go button to actually create this user account. Now once this user has been created, then simply click on database and then provide access to the database that you have created, and then simply click on go. So on this page, you're going to select the privileges, so simply click on check all and then click on the go button to actually grant all of the access to this particular database. Now once that is done, you can head back to the WordPress configuration, provide the name of the user, which is WordPress, and then the password that you had set. After that, leave the database host as localhost and then click on submit. And that is it for the initial wizard. Now let's actually begin the installation by clicking on the run the installation button. Once that is done, the WordPress is always going to ask you about the site that you want to host. So I'm going to name this site as democis.com, and then you can give a username for the administrator account on this particular website. Now for this website, I'm going to create an admin123 as the username, and I'm going to provide some password. Once that is done, if the password is weak, click on confirm use of weak password and then provide the email of the admin account. At the very end, simply click on this button that says install WordPress. After that, you would see this success message. That means your WordPress website has been deployed. Now click on the login button to log into the administrator account. So the username was admin123 and the password that you had given. And just like that, you are now inside the WordPress website that you have hosted locally on your PC. Now, in case you want to deploy WordPress on cloud hosted platforms like Azure, Amazon and Google Cloud, then simply check out the videos linked in the description box. I would like to tell you that there is a plugin developed by Cloud Infrastructure Services which is known as the WordPress Cloud Single Sign-On plugin. Now this plugin provides a lot of different features and benefits such as WordPress single sign-on, security, protecting your website with auto redirect to IDP, attribute mapping, auto redirect to SSO, WordPress role mapping and so much more. So make sure to check out the link in the description box for the plugin listing on the official WordPress website. That brings us to the end of this video. Now if you have any queries regarding this tutorial, make sure to leave that query in the comment section down below and we will get to you as soon as possible. Make sure to check out the link in the description box for the blog post that is a step-by-step guide on how to install WordPress locally. And if this video has helped you in any way, make sure to leave a like and subscribe to the channel.